Welcome. If you want to use Adblock on your Samsung Galaxy A60, for the first, go for the Play Store, tap on a search, and type Opera Mini. Select this application and click on the download. When you finish, just click on the open. Click here, allow and continue. And for example, we can enter this website. And there's the notifications that the Opera got partnership with the Adblock Plus. So let's check if we can find here any ads. As you can see, everything is blocked. And when you click right here, you can see how many ads were blocked. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.